I've been trading forex for the past 5 years, guys, and I realized that forex market do have blueprints. They give us direction, but guess what? If you don't see those signs, guys, then forex will be so crazy for you. You'll get it rough in here. All right, so look at this, guys. This is my strategy. Before I open my trading view, I have two things in my mind. I'm coming to the market and I only want to look at patterns. What is the market giving me? I'm looking at the certain patterns that the market usually repeats, guys. So those are the patterns that I need to identify. So anytime I open my trading view, I have to look out for those patterns, right? For example, this is Euro USD. Took the trade in the morning. Let me just take you back, right? Here is Euro USD. Come to pub. Look at this. This was taken today, right? That was around 8:11 UTC right here. This zone, you can try to zoom in, guys. November 14. I did send this signal to my VIP. All right, today is 14th, guys. Today is 14. You can confirm right here. Today is 14, and it's currently 3 p.m. All right, and you can see I called this signal at 8:11. So let's proceed. So if I do rewind this right here, let me take it through. Let me just take it through and tell you how the market is usually crazy. It gives out blueprints, right? So look at this. First things first, we need to identify the general direction of the market, or rather what the market is doing. But this time, I did not go crazy. I only did this, went to the weekly and identified this. Crazy. Wee! That's easy, right? So just marking that zone already gave me something right there, all right? It just showed me, oh, this market probably, this is an impulse, and guess what, this is a correction, then I have a high right there, then the market continues going down. So I understood that. So going back to the daily and the 4 hour and that is 1 hour and 15, everything should be making sense. All right, so this is what the daily was doing. These are the trend line that I did draw from the weekly, right? Okay, that's what's up. So I went back to the 4 hour. Remember, I've already identified that the market is doing this, but at the same time, it is a correction phase. So if that's what's up there, we should be looking for sell position. Is that right? Yeah. So how about that? That is general. Generally, we should be looking for sell position, but we also need to identify what the current price of the market is doing. So look at this. Let's go to the 1 hour. At the 1 hour, this is what I did identify. The market price. We had this sort of a bullish flag. Okay. With that mark, I say, okay, so this market is in a correction phase, and I thought it should be going down, but guess what? At the lower time frame, 1 hour, I'm seeing a bullish flag, a bigger version of a bullish flag. So when I did zoom in right here, I saw also another bullish flag. Then I say, okay, what's this market trying to do? We are not looking for sales anymore, because this mini version of a bullish flag just changed everything. All right, so look at this. Most people were looking for sales, but just ignoring that mini right here, that mini bullish flag could cost you, and the bigger version could cost you, guys. So I went to the 15 right there. At the 15, this is what was happening. So at the 15, I say, okay, so let me just try to identify the last high, the last lower high, because at the 15 the market is going down, giving us lower low and lower high, blah blah. There's a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is the last lower high. So my bias was, if the market just breaks out of this last lower high, then guess what, I'm going in. That is it. So all I just had to do is wait for that. Paper price action, guys, no fundamental. So let's see what the market did. The market played out right there. Let's see what the market did at the 1 hour. Remember, my policy is that we only take entries at the market after the 1 hour candlestick close. So look at that, we're already in. So now, since this was not a swing, guys, at the same time today we really have high impact. So this was not a trade that I should be swinging. Remember, the anticipation was for sales. So this is it. The market could have done this, hit this low, that high, then that is when it drops massive. So let's go. The market did its thing. So during this time, so many news got released, guys. So many news got released. And let me just show you. I did send that signal to my VIP. That was Euro USD right here. This is it before it moved, right? Then, oh, this is another one, sorry, this is another one, right? So that's it. So that's how the market just played, and that's the current market. So this was the first take profit right here. You can see a resistance line right here. That was the take profit. So first take profit, and this should be the second take profit. But guys, we have news, we have high impact news. So I just closed that, and also told my crew to close. I could have held that, but right now that's what's up. So I'll just copy this, and I had to do this. I have to do this. Just a minute. Should be the final, right? So that's the easiest way. So I also had another position, two positions, that is gold and GBP USD, that I did call out yesterday. I'm just going to show you how the market was playing out and how the market was looking like before it made its movement. All right, so just a minute. All right, so where are you? Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, here we go. So this was called out on November 13th. You can zoom around here, 1641 UTC, right? This is before 1641 UTC, right? November 13th. That is yesterday, and today is November 14th. This is the reason. This is now GBP USD, right? So price is giving us a bullish momentum from the weekly. Oh, that's what's up. Down to the lower time, and then price gave us a bullish flag pattern for a continuation at the H4. That's what's up. This is a bullish flag. The price broke out the continuation pattern, broke out. Then from then, gave us a mini continuation at the 50 and then H1, and then I took a buy. Also, I forgot to add that price gave us an inverse head and shoulder. So let's go. That's GBP USD. GBP USD. It's crazy, guys. These are the simple things. We just continue doing crazy simple things every day. Every day, come to the market, repeat, repeat, repeat. Guess what? It's just boring, but you just have to do what you gotta do, man. So look at this. If you look at this right here, I just had the same structures. Open the trading view and just identify, oh, this is it. So, and this is somehow, this is a lower low right here. This is correction to give us low high before the market continue going down. That's it, the general, right? So let's continue. So when I talk about the bullish, this is bullish. The market is going up. I hope that makes sense, right? So let's go. It makes sense. That makes sense. All right. So let's just hit the H4. Now, at the H4, look at this, guys. Let me just show you. Look at this. Price is just in an uptrend. There's an impulse, a high, then correction. And there's, guess what, guys? After correction, we should be going in for buys or an impulse, okay? So if we do take this zone right here from that low to this high, this is what I really anticipated. The market should continue to go up, right? To go up. That's what's up. So all I just started to do is just go back to the 1 hour and the 15 and understand what the market is doing at that time, okay? So this is what the hourly candles or time frame was doing. So when we went back to the 15, guys, I saw reversal. We had an inverse head and shoulder. Oh, look at this. Let me just draw that right here. You have the left right there, and there's the head. So I was expecting the market to go back to give us the right shoulder. I guess what, we break out. So simple. We just have to wait for that. That is what the market kept on doing at the 15. You can see it is speccing. So and then you see I have this as a high identify. So that's also a neckline. So the market is respecting that. And how about this? If that's inverse head and shoulder, that means the price is reversing. So this should be a higher high, then a higher low, higher high, higher low. So I had that right here. We had that trend line that I did identify that the market is trying to give us. So when back to the 1 hour, that is where we wait for the market to break. Crazy. The market did this, and now I was in when this pullback, right? The pullback came, then now I got in. Then now I did also send this signal. This is GBP USD. I gave them to my public Telegram community, GBP USD. Where are you? Just a minute. This is gold. Don't worry. Where is that? Right here. I said if that 1 hour candlestick closes above, then GBP USD is all yours. That was sent on 6:58 my time frame. Look at this. This is current. So yes, it did. And then before that, seconds to go. Then I said no break. Wait for another 1 hour candlestick. That's how it is until it breaks. So guess what? We waited for another 1 hour candlestick. So that's what's up. And then this GBP USD, everything was set, right? Everybody now started eating. Okay. All right, let me see. So that went on, guys. The market did this. So in the morning I was expecting pullback, guys. You should not just take your entries and think, oh, the market just has to go to my direction at once. No, the market really needs to breathe. So you expect that. So anytime we see a pullback, we don't care. We are relaxed, guys, because a pullback means that we need to take advantage. So I was waiting for the market probably to go back to test this high that it did form. This is why I have this, then make another entry position, but the market did not do that. So that's the current market price, guys. That's the current market price. It's crazy. It's a swing, though we have news, so it's a swing. All right. So we can see. Let me see how many pips these are. So far, the market gave us 66 pips, but we're going in for 177. Right. Same as gold. I did call out this shit for free, guys. Let's go. So let me just show you how gold is crazy and it do manipulate people. I saw the manipulation early in the morning. And I was like, oh, let it continue eating people's money. So right here, let me just take you through. The market is giving us bullish confidence. This is a higher low, or rather correction impulse. So this is a bigger version of a correction. Then guess what? The market did break and it was coming back to give us that retest to continue going up. I did identify that, and I was expecting only buy. But most people were only looking for sales. So it's crazy, guys. My policies is I only buy when most people are selling. It's crazy. And I only sell when people are buying. You see, I like going against people. It works, guys. It works. Let me just show you the scenario. The market gave us a head and a shoulder. How about the left shoulder right here? Neckline, head, neckline. This is the right shoulder. Then guess what? Oh, it's a reversal. We're going down. Let's take our sell position. Okay. But you are blinded. You do not understand the market move. We had this zone. This was the last high. Identify that. So you can see, zooming in right here, this is it. I need to mark that. Then you guys forgot that, oh, the market is giving us another bullish. This is a bearish flag for a reversal. Okay. So a break, then we going. But then at the lower time frame, I saw something different. Market started playing out. Okay, then I did identify this as a high, this is a low. So if the market breaks out of this high, guess what? We take our buy. So the market did this, guys. I waited this for the whole damn day. You can see the market is respecting that high of mine, right? Then, but this time I was updating my gang. I was telling them, oh, let just gold continue eating people money. Let me just show you something. Oh, this is when we did take a buy on GBP USD. I told them, adios bears, take good care of her, and remember she might be stubborn in the coming session. Swingle. It is what it is. Okay, let me look out for that goal. Where's that goal? Just a minute. Hold your horses. Where is that? Alright, this is gold, I believe. Right, here's gold. I said, look at gold. We're just watching from far. Let her take people's money, then we attack at dawn. This is it. So we're just watching. Oh, you go for buys, drops down. Go for sales, goes up. So that is it. As long as you understand the manipulation, then everything should be crazy and easy for you, right? Alright, so this is it. I said I don't trade gold, but I break above that high, then it should go up. I did make this analysis, I believe, the day before yesterday. And this is it. So when did we take our trade? It's crazy day. No, that's wrong. Where's gold? This is GBP. Guys, I gave out this, so look at that pressure that gold was giving us. Triple bottom. Look at that. So look at gold. Let her eat people. Yeah, I just said that. And then let's go. Gold has broken that high. Been waiting since morning, but won't take a buy until that 1 hour candlestick close above. Right. Okay. patience, blah 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 blah. Then I'd say if you're not patient, then you can take the two trades, but I will wait for maybe price might leave me, you never know, right? So we was in, look at that gold, we was in, right? Then I said that's GBP. So this is it. I said expecting pullbacks on gold to break that trend line resistance, and if it breaks, then we add second position. So that is what currently I believe the market is trying to do, right? So market did that, the market continued doing its thing. All right, so let's go. This is it. Market did that. Look at that. Can you see that? They are hunting people's money. All right. So the moment the market went up, then we was in, guys. It was in, and that is now what is happening. The market is doing this kind of a pullback correction that I did identify yesterday that I was expecting to happen today. So it is that simple, guys. We have an impulse correction. Those are the same pattern. Guess what? After correction, we should be going up, and currently, I believe that's it. That's the current market. And let me just show you something, guys. How much pips we bagged in from the first entry position. That was 85 pips, guys. The first position is at 85 pips. So just a matter of time. If it breaks bullish, guys, the market has not broken. Look at that. You might think that the market broke out of this trend line of us, but no, it just wicked us out, right? So this is it. A bullish candlestick that is at the 1 hour, like that. Then we go in. If that doesn't happen, we wait for the next candlestick, whether it will take another 4 hours or 12 hours, then we take a short. So if that doesn't happen, we don't do anything. That's the call, guys. That's the call. So you don't have to complicate anything. It's just a waiting game and a waiting game. And if you see your opportunity, execute, guys. So I believe that's what's up, guys, and you might consider smashing that subscribe button, guys. You might also check out my Telegram channel, guys. Link in the description. I do send free signals. All right. So adios, mi amigos. Peace, respect.